Thank you very much for the organizer and also for the audience for giving us the opportunity to present our paper with title Cardioprotective Effect of Ethanol Extract Vernonia amygdalina delisle on rats induced by doxorubicin. My name is Leni Wijaya and the other author is Chris Misnova Linda Ginting, Linda Chuman, and Nyoman Eric Lister. We are from Medical Faculty, University Prima Indonesia. As the background one is about this paper is about the cardiotoxicity associated with cancer treatment is the leading cause of treatment-related mortality and morbidity in people with cancer. Age, previous cardiac dysfunction, heart disease, hypertension, smoking, and obesity are risk factors described as potential cardiotoxicity associated with anthracyclines as well as several new agents. Doxorubicin is a class of anthracyclines as a chemotherapy agent that is widely used and is now part of standard therapy regimen for various types of cancer. However, potentially fatal and dose-dependent cardiotoxicity that appears within a short time after treatment limits the use of doxorubicin in cancer patients. When cells are under pressure, they produce free radicals such as reactive oxygen species (ROS) and reactive nitrogen species (RNS) that damage cells in many ways such as lipid peroxidation, LPO, denaturation protein, and DNA damage. Background 2. Natural antioxidants have an essential role in protecting cells against damage by ROS or RNS, which can cause some miseries such as inflammation and diabetes, and are compounds that can neutralize free radicals in the human body. Finding ways to predict and prevent cardiovascular disease and cancer became the most important in the medical field for the previous several decades. One of the new plants that many people use to treat liver disease and other disease and its prevention is the Vernonia amygdalina delisle leaf plant. Vernonia amygdalina is useful in traditional medicine as anti-malaria, antimicrobial, anthelmintic, anti-cancer, effective for weight loss, obesity, reducing high fat and cholesterol level, and treatment against liver disease such as fatty liver, cirrhosis of the liver, liver poisoning, and glucose intolerance associated with obesity, and so on. And this leaf, Vernonia amygdalina, is rich in flavonoid. On the leaf of Vernonia amygdalina can stimulate insulin secretion that it is very useful for the treatment of diabetes mellitus. Phytochemical analysis of Vernonia amygdalina reveal high level of flavonoids, saponin, tannins, and steroid. This study aimed to examine the cardioprotection effect of this leaf on rat after induced doxorubicin. Method 1. We use tools, surgical instrument, laboratory glassware, aluminum foil, blender, porcelain cup, desiccator, incubator, slide glass, cover glass, porcelain crucible, drying cabinet, and so on. And the material is 500 grams of African leaf powder was put into a reagent bottle and macerated using ethanol solvent between powder and solvent, which was 1 and 3. The animal 24 healthy rats with a body weight of about 170 grams divided into 6 groups. Normal was treated with the NACM negative control and positive control. Group 1 we give the doxorubicin 20 milligram per kilo body weight and the African leaf 100 milligram per kilo body weight. Group 2, we give the 300 milligram African leaf, and group 3, we give the 500 milligram body weight. Method 2, doxorubicin was induced at a dose of 5 milligram kilogram body weight at the days of 1, 7, 14, and 21. And the extract ethanol African leaf was given at the days of 20, and at the last day, the rats were anesthetized using ketamine at a dose of 70 milligram kilogram body weight intravenous. Blood was taken from the rat heart, then centrifuged for 10 minutes. Finally, the blood serum was used to measure the enzyme of the cardiac myocardial heart muscle, that is the CKMB, creatinine kinase MB, and LDH level, lactate dehydrogenase levels. The method 3, all the experiment is like this diagram. We give the extract African leaf with this milli, 100 milli, 300 milli, and 500 milli, and combined with the doxorubicin and with vitamin E, the control positive. And we see the cardiotoxicity by check the blood, the CKMB and LDH level, and the histological myocardial heart with microscope. And we can see the CKMB and the LDH and the damage inhibition to heart tissues, the histology of the myocardium, the number of necrosis and normal cells, and that the result and discussion that treat with ethanol extract African leaf on rat proven to be able to repair damage to rat heart tissue after induction of doxorubicin. Visually, the change in myocard rat due to doxorubicin and African leaf treatment toward normal is shown by this picture. The change in myocard rat due to doxorubicin and African leaf treatment toward normal. We see the normal, and the induced with vitamin, and the induced doxorubicin and the extra African leaf 100 ml per kilo body weight and 300 ml per kilo body weight and 500 ml per kilogram body weight. This is the myocard in microscope. And the result and discussion. Result shows that the ethanol extract of the African leaf contain compounds that have antioxidant activity that can be detected with DPPH. The potent antioxidant activity of the two extracts further strengthen the scientific data of these two plants as antidiabetic. The antioxidant power of both extracts is thought to be able to inhibit further damage from the pancreatic cell and myocard cell. Moreover, the extract is also able to contribute to counteracting free radical in our degenerative disease that often accompany diabetes, such as hypertension, coronary heart disease, kidney failure. And the conclusion, the results show that ethanol extract of African leaf dose of 100 per kilo body weight, 300 ml per kilo body weight and 500 ml per kilo body weight can reduce level of CK, CKMB, and LDH in cardiotoxicity rate induced by doxorubicin. Treat with extract ethanol African leaf on rat proven to be able to repair damage to rat heart tissue after induction of doxorubicin. Visually, it can also be proven that extract ethanol African leaf was able to show better picture of cardiac histology than the positive control group in doxorubicin-induced rat more effectively protect the heart compared to positive control that give vitamin E. Overall, it was found that the effective dose of extract ethanol African leaf, which has cardioprotective activity, was at the dose of 500 ml per kilo body weight. That's all. Thank you very much.